Hello, everybody. So, disclaimer, this is like a cross between two songs. I had a request to do Loser, Grateful Dead, Bluegrass version by the Traveling, slipping my mind, Traveling Bluegrass Band. I can't think of how to pronounce that last name. But if you request a song, you know what the hell I'm talking about. So this is like a cross between the Grateful Dead and that bluegrass version, because it's going to be the same no matter what when we're doing it on the Merlin. I picked the best of both, what works on the Merlin, and this is what I come up with. I screwed up. But I always screw up. What the hell, man? You guys should expect that by now. Okay, so we're taking liberties again because there's something we can't do on a Merlin, which is really the ending of the verse and the ending of the chorus where it does that walk down. We don't have the notes to do that if we're doing it in B minor, and we have to do it in B minor because we need the minor key to do it. You guys get it. You was the Merlin. We make it work on a Merlin. Okay, so the intro riff that we are doing. So we're in B minor. So we've already got the finger on your first fret on the middle string, but we're going to put the second fret down and then slide it up to the third. Back to the second, first, second, open, second, first, open, first, no, sorry, third, second and third, second, open, first, open, first. When you're doing that B minor, you could lift that first on the middle string as well. So when I was playing around with this earlier, I was putting that in between the verses. It really does go in after the chorus, but I was putting it in more than it should be. And if you're doing the bluegrass way, they probably do that as well. So put it in wherever the hell you want. It's Grateful Dead, it's jam. Do it the way you want to do it. Okay, chords. So it'd be minor, A, D, E, D, F sharp, B minor. B minor, A, F sharp, to the E, to the D, A, B, minor, A, B minor. So those are those fast ones. So you only know, and you know I'm only in it for the gold. So that's the verses. You guys will see the chords when I tab this out. Now the chorus is A, E, B. Hold on, let's get back into the rhythm. So A, E, B. You do this 3 times. Third time. A, E, B. Now we got those quick changes again. D, A, B minor, A, E, B minor. So that's my rendition. Like I said, all this stuff is my rendition. It's never going to be exact. We don't have all the notes. So we do what we can with the Merlin, right? Oh, Grateful Dead, Loser. I just had in my mind, loser. No. I had in my mind the song Loser. And I guess I missed the part where he said Grateful Dead so I'm like, is it a bluegrass version of Loser by Beck? Which there is, Clever Leaves. Clever Leaves are awesome. So I'm like, okay, can I do Loser on Merlin? I was working on it. Yeah, I was working on it, but it didn't work out for me. I'm sure somebody else will have a better result with it. All right, practice, patience, have fun. We will see you guys next time.